You know how one of the great things about trading is that it's just you and the markets, from a business perspective, you don't have vendors or employees or customers to worry about. It's just, from a business perspective, it's just you and the markets, which is great. But at the same time, you've got the isolation of it, and the self-management of trading is really one of the biggest challenges. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I mean, it just the fact that it is just you and the markets, and keeping yourself on track, knowing what to do, what to focus on, how to deal with problems, how to deal with changes in the market behavior, all that kind of stuff, and doing it all by yourself. Yeah, that's one of the things that really makes trading a challenge, is the self-management aspect of it. And well, that on top of, for the most part, you have to train yourself because most of the training out there sucks. It's just, how to use a method. It's not really how to be a trader and, run a trading business and manage yourself. Now, this is a challenge that a lot of business owners deal with as well, because yeah, they're up at the top. It's kind of like being the oldest in your family, the oldest generation in your family. You don't have parents to go, talk to. And so that's why a lot of business owners and executives will hire business coaches, executive coaches, to help them deal with the challenges of this role. And for traders, unfortunately, most traders never seek it out. They just kind of wrestle with it on their own. And what sucks is, yeah, it's tough. It's not easy, especially dealing with the challenges of the markets and the, emotional challenges and the day-to-day performance of it, let alone, managing and running the business. So, but if you look at most any performance activity, and sports is a great one to look at, even champions, Michael Jordan, he had a coach. Even when he was at legendary status, he still had a coach, somebody to provide him the outside perspective, to let him know, yeah, hey, you need to work on this. Hey, this is a little bit off. Hey, you're doing well, do more of it. Hey, practice this over here. Now, see, winners seek out the help. They don't just go alone and say, hey, I'm a one-man show and, it's just me. There's plenty of movies with that storyline and it never works out well. Everybody needs help. Now, for business owners, hiring a business coach can be a tremendous help and also tremendously valuable. One guy I've been working with for several years, we've had a number of conversations that were worth six figures in his business. And whenever he's got something going on, if it's a significant decision, before he goes and jumps into it, he'll come and talk to me just to bounce the idea off of me or to help me, think it through and get it sorted out. And it's really excellent because, like I said, we've had a number of conversations that a single conversation was worth six figures. That's what kind of an impact a good coach can have for you. Now, I do the same thing for traders. Now, with traders, it's a little bit different because with traders, the accountability is a big deal. You need somebody to really help you stay in check because, again, being totally alone, unlike a business owner where you probably have employees, you have your customers, you have the other people to deal with. For traders, again, it's just you and the markets, and the markets aren't going to tell you squat except, whoops, hey, screwed up again. I'll take your money. No, that's how the markets teach, and that's the hard way to do it. But when you have a business coach for your trading, again, the accountability, the outside perspectives to help you, helping you deal with stuff as it comes up, the personal challenges, the business challenges, so to speak, with trading, dealing with the markets, looking at all that kind of stuff. It's just so excellent to have somebody in your corner that you can go talk to that knows this game and can help you be successful at it and understands what you're dealing with. I mean, friends, spouses, yeah, they're great and they love you and, they want the best for you, but they don't know necessarily what you're dealing with and how to attend to it, when something does come up. So, if the self-management of trading has been a challenge for you, and maybe you're just tired of the isolation and not having anybody to talk to that understands what you're dealing with, truly understands, well, book a call with me and let's talk and see if, it might be appropriate for you. Because seriously, the self-management of trading, it can be so tough and it can be so taxing. And especially if you've kind of gotten off in a little bit of a wreck, getting back on track, it's really tough to do alone. And I would, if you have been struggling a little bit, I would love to help you get things back on track and keep them on track. Because you know how great trading can be. It offers a wonderful lifestyle when it works and a lot of benefits. And when it doesn't, it can really, it can really suck. So again, I'd love to help you out. Book a call with me if you'd like to talk about it, to, see if it makes sense for you. It's also a very affordable way to work with your trading because as a coach, it doesn't have to be, like a $10,000 weekend out on, a 3-day boot camp, that kind of stuff. It's an ongoing support at a very financially sensible manner. So anyway, book a call with me. Let's talk. Maybe it makes sense. Maybe it doesn't, but you won't find out unless we have the conversation. So give me a call. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Cheers. So do you sometimes struggle with inconsistent results from your trading? A little too much variability in what you're getting as far as, winners and losers. If you'd like some help with your consistency, that's my area of expertise. I used to be a quality assurance manager, and quality is all about getting consistent results, predictable, reliable results. So if you'd like my help with your trading, swing by InsideOutTrading.com, schedule a call with me. We'll get on. We'll talk about your situation and see if I can help you improve the consistency of your trading results. Talk to you soon.